I'm going to attempt to put some reader lights at the edge of the couch in the RV above the plugs over at the end of the couch. And from this area I started drawing out, measuring how much of what I thought would work in that area. Then I went to Amazon and I bought these types of lights. And stick around with me and I'll go through some of the stuff that I used and how I got them in there to look like this. Splicing the wires, this is what I bought, the little lever nut kits. And I just use these small ones here, cut into the wire, open them all the way up, cut in the wire and put one side into here, one side runs to the switch, and then use another one, put it in the opposite side of the switch and run it back up to the camera. I got this off of Amazon. Also, I just picked up this wire at Walmart. This is trailer light wire you use for trailers. And what I did is I just split it in half, and it gives you 2 wires for one side and 2 wires for the other side. And 2 Dream Lighting LED wall light fixtures from Amazon. I got this spacer above my cabinets up here, and the backup camera 12-volt power is right up there. So I'm just all I got to do is take those 2 screws out, pull that down, and I can show you what it looks like behind there. So let's get the screws out. Let's get this other side. I have it loose. I said 2 screws, but they're actually 4, 5. Somebody that tend to see math can't count. Maybe I got that one far enough out. I don't think I got to worry about it falling down. I took that screw all the way out. All right. Let's see if I got them all loose. I think I do. So what I got to do is I got to work one side down so I can tilt it. Work it down. Let's put this out of the way. So behind that panel, we have the 12 volts that go to the camera going right through the wall. I'm going to say Keystone, well, y'all punch through the walls and everything is a lot nastier than how I do it. I used to cut a hole. It looked like somebody took a hammer and just busted a hole through there. Shame on you, Keystone. Anyway, what I did is I spliced into the wires, and I used my lever nuts and put them on and spliced them in. And that, you see, I got a hot end. One goes back to the camera, and then one hot goes to the right light, and one goes to the left light. And I spliced them in like that. There should be another one down in here somewhere. Yeah, right down there. Then you can see over in the corner, I made a small hole on each side to get down, fish down to where the light was. To use my round hole drill, all I did was unscrewed the top of the cabinet and pushed down on it so I could get the drill to make a circular hole there, and then push the shelf back up and screwed it to the wall. want to talk about this side over here. I had forgotten about the ladder that goes up the outside. And about right there going across is a 2x4 that the ladder bolts on. So on this side, the wall is not empty. So I'm going to have to show you my mistakes. After I drilled the wire, the hole up at the top where I showed you a while ago, and started to come down, I hit the 2x4. There's only one way to get past it. I couldn't drill through it, so I cut a strip in front of it and then drilled a hole below it and then went the rest of the way down with the wire. So to cover up my mess, you can see that little panel back here. You can see down at the bottom there's a little light. You can get it covered up good. But if you're standing down here, you can see a panel right there. I just made it covered up. But I had to cut a strip, lay the wire flat, and then into the other hole. And then I put that piece of panel over that right there. And to make it look normal, I went to the other cabinet and I just put another panel over there just to make it look the same on both sides. Cover it up. And I fished the wire down, marked my hole, used the circular saw. I think I used I tried to use the smallest I could. I think I used like a 1.5 inch circular drill and drilled in there, fished the wire out, and then just spliced it on as normal to hook up the 12 volts. Well, after I get it typed up, all I gotta do is put it all back. You'll never see it. Oh, I don't break anything. Just gotta work everything back up in the hole. Just slowly, a little bit at a time. There's that side. Ouch. There we go. Let me get one screw. Let me get this. Push it up in there. Pushed up in there. Push up in there. Okay, let's look at these lots that we got put in. See how these things look. All right. And in live action, let me get out of the way of the camera. And there they are. After I got them put in. Thank you for watching this video. If you don't mind, give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not. Thank you.